Check this out. This is one of my favorite cardboard builds from back in the day. I've always loved this design, but since it was built by hand, I never had a digital 3D model for it. We are about to turn this physical cardboard craft into a high-tech 3D print using the power of AI. I'm taking a simple photo of my cardboard build and uploading it straight to Hitem 3D. Now I'm using the Pro version because I want those ultra-sharp details and high-fidelity geometry. In a matter of seconds, the AI analyzes my photo and generates a complete 3D model. It's actually insane how it captured every detail of my original design. But wait, Hitem 3D also has a dedicated 2D to 3D relief feature. This is perfect for making custom coins, medallions, or even wall art from just a single image file. The STL file is ready. I'm downloading it and dropping it into my slicer. I hit print, and we are officially bridging the gap between cardboard and 3D reality. But here's the best part. It's not just for my builds. I can take any 2D image from the internet, or even an AI-generated concept, and feed it to Hitem. If you can imagine it and see it in 2D, Hitem can build it in 3D. Those supports are coming off and the results are mind-blowing. Let's compare the cardboard original versus the new 3D printed version. From cardboard to digital to physical. If you want to level up your workflow, you need to check out Hitem 3D. Hit the link in the description to try it for free and definitely go pro for those high-res results. I'll see you in the next one.